every time you hit them, they make more, you know, sparkles. So you can hold one of them like this. You're a righty, so hold your left hand like this, and then take your right hand, and what you would do is you would just the tip on your forearm, back and forth, over the top, under the bottom, just the tip, more tip, less shaft, only the tip. Yes. That's it, and it'll do it.
Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty cool. I don't know. It's like permanent glitter.
I was gonna say, if you want it to be balanced, you could do something like, okay, I'm doing this one, I'm doing this one. Now I'm doing this one and I'm doing this one. Now I'm doing this one and I'm doing this one. Now I'm doing this one and I'm doing this one. So here's the front view of what I just did. I'm doing a mirror image of you. I'm holding your left. I go over the top, across the bottom, over the top to a stop. So not banging the third time. Then top, bottom, drop down the stall. Yes, then top, bottom, drop stall. Top, bottom, drop stall.